Welcome to Payroll.com.bd. Payroll BD Research Tax and VAT Rates of Bangladesh for the year 2023-2024. The value-added tax rates in Bangladesh for the year 2023-2024 remained unchanged from the previous year. The standard VAT rate in Bangladesh is 15%. For specific sectors and industries, reduced rates are applicable. For example, the pharmaceutical industry enjoys a reduced VAT rate of 5%. Similarly, the rate for the jute industry is 4%, while for the textile and garment sector it is 7.5%. Overall, the VAT rates in Bangladesh for the year 2023-2024 follow the standard rate of 15% for most goods and services, with exemptions and reduced rates for certain essential items and specific industries. What is the tax rate in Bangladesh? 1. Income tax. The income tax rates in Bangladesh are progressive, meaning that they vary based on the income levels. For individuals, the tax rates for the assessment year 2023-2024 year are as follows. Up to BDT 3 lakhs, 0%. BDT 3 lakhs 1 to BDT 4 lakhs, 5%. BDT 4 lakhs 1 to BDT 6 lakhs, 10%. BDT 6 lux 1 to BDT 30 lux, 15%. BDT 30 lux 1 and above, 25%. 2. Corporate tax. The corporate tax rate for regular companies in Bangladesh is 32.5%. However, for certain industries, including the manufacturing sector and certain export-oriented industries, a reduced rate of 25% may apply. The tax rate for publicly traded companies listed on the stock exchange is 25%. 3. Value-added tax. The standard VAT rate in Bangladesh is 15%. This rate applies to most goods and services consumed within the country. However, certain essential items and services may be exempted or subject to reduced rates. 4. Customs duties. Customs duties are imposed on imported goods and vary depending on the type of product and its classification under the Harmonized System Code. The rates can range from 0% to higher percentages, depending on the nature of the imported item. It is advisable to consult the latest official sources or seek professional advice to get the most accurate and up-to-date information on tax rates in Bangladesh. If you need more information, please get in touch with us. Email info@theratepayroll.com.bd.